In this video, I'll walk you through the essentials of using a Binance Web3 wallet. From setting it up to some of its key features, this video will teach you the things you should know about the Binance Web3 wallet. But before we get started, click on the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest updates. For those familiar with my videos, as I always mention, an important thing that you should note is that you have to create and maintain a Binance account to access the platform services. If you're finding it difficult to open an account, don't worry, because I've made videos on that, so be sure to check it out. When opening your Binance account, I want you to pay attention to the option that says Referral ID. If you use my referral ID, T7J9MB5J, you'll get an extra 20% off on the trading rates you have to pay for every trade that you make on the exchange. All you have to do to get that 20% off is to go to the Referral ID drop-down and click on it. After that, a field will open where you'll type in my referral code. I will also leave the code in the description below. Once you use my referral code, you'll get an extra 20% off your trading fees, which could end up being a lot of money, especially if you are planning to do a lot of trading on Binance. So, the Binance Web3 wallet is a user-focused crypto wallet that is tailored for those who are interested in exploring decentralized finance and decentralized applications. The wallet, which is a part of the Binance app, enables secure and efficient management of digital assets, supporting activities such as yield farming and token swapping across various blockchain networks. The Binance Web3 wallet utilizes multi-party computation or MPC to enhance security, reducing the risks of the centralized storage of private keys. It creates 3 key shares stored separately in the device of the user, cloud storage, and the Web3 wallet, with each key share secured with a recovery password that is known only to the user. Now, let's take a look at some of the key features of the Binance Web3 wallet. First, it's very easy to use. Setting up the Binance Web3 wallet takes only a few seconds through the Binance app, and unlike other crypto wallets, you do not have to worry about seed phrases or private keys, which makes it much easier to use. The Binance Web3 wallet also provides unmatched convenience. Integrated with Binance Bridge and other services, it allows users to easily swap tokens across various blockchain networks, while also ensuring the best rates and prices. Plus, with just a few clicks, users can explore decentralized apps or dApps and generate yield. Furthermore, the Binance Web3 wallet offers important security features that include wrong address protection and identification of potentially malicious smart contracts. Whenever users initiate a transaction, the wallet issues a warning if the token or blockchain carries a potential security risk. Additionally, transactions are controlled by multi-party computation or MPC technology, which reduces the risk of single points of failure and ensures your asset safety. The Web3 wallet also allows complete autonomy over your assets, as it is encrypted by 3 key shares and a recovery password that is exclusively known to the user. Moving on, let's take a look at how to use the Binance Web3 wallet. To start using the Binance Web3 wallet, log into your Binance account through the app and go to Wallets. From there, select Web3 and then select Create Wallet to get started. Now, before you can start using the wallet, you'll need to back it up and set a recovery password. Backing up your Binance Web3 wallet is simple. On the Web3 wallet initial page, tap Backup Now. Next, connect a Binance app to your cloud storage account, such as iCloud or Google Drive. Afterward, you'll set a backup password that you should keep safe. Binance cannot access or reset your backup password, so you mustn't lose it. Next, back up your key on your cloud storage, and you're done. Your wallet is ready to use. Yes, it's as simple as that. That brings us to the end of this tutorial. Don't forget to use my referral code when opening your Binance account to enjoy 20% off your trading fees on the platform. As I said earlier, I will leave the code in the description below. If you're yet to subscribe, be sure to do that now because there are more tutorials on the way.